These are the instructions for the Cask of Amontillado irony chart. The directions say, in the first column, read the quotes from the Cask of Amontillado. So this is the first column right here. In the second column, identify the type of irony being used. We're only going to either have verbal or dramatic irony. None of these are examples of situational irony. In the third column, explain why the quote is ironic. Page 374. I said to him, this is Montresor said, "My dear Fortunato, you are luckily met. How remarkably well you are looking today." This is verbal irony when the character says the opposite of what they mean. Because, here's the explanation. Montresor tells Fortunato that he looks well when Fortunato is actually quite drunk and appears unwell. So remember, verbal irony is an example of when a character says one thing but means the opposite. Now I'm going to show you an example of dramatic irony. Here is an example of dramatic irony. Let me see if I can type there. It's not letting me type. Well, this is an example of dramatic irony from page 375. Enough, he said. This is Fortunato. Enough, Fortunato said. The cough is a mere nothing. It will not kill me. I shall not die of a cough. True, true, I replied. So this is dramatic irony. Sorry, I'm not able to type here because I used the wrong version of this document. This is dramatic irony. And the reason why it is dramatic irony is because we know something that the character does not know. Okay, this is Fortunato talking. We know that Fortunato is going to die. Ooh, there. I think it's just slow. Jeez. So dramatic irony. It's just going really slow. Because we know something the character does not know. Fortunato thinks he's not going to die. We know he is going to die down there. And so that's what you put here under the explanation. Okay, now your job is to go through and do the rest of these on your own. I'll go ahead and read them. I passed down a long and winding staircase, requesting him to be cautious as he followed. So this is Montresor. He is the narrator, remember, and the person he's requesting to be cautious is Fortunato. Next, come, I said with decision. The I here is Montresor. We will go back. Your health is precious. This is Montresor talking to Fortunato. Then we have, I drink, he said. This is Fortunato talking. I drink, Fortunato said, to the buried that repose around us. Montresor says, and I, Montresor, drink to your long life. He's toasting to Fortunato's long life. Then page 376, this is when Fortunato asks Montresor about his motto, his family motto. Fortunato says the motto. Montresor answers, Nemo me impune lacessit, which we know means I take revenge with impunity. I only take revenge if I know I can get away with it. Good, says Fortunato. Mm-hmm. The next one, Fortunato says, you are not of the Masons. Montresor says, yes, yes. I said, yes, yes. Fortunato says, you? Impossible. A Mason? Montresor says, yes, a Mason, I replied. And last, Montresor says, pass your hand, I said, over the wall. You cannot help feeling the nitre. Indeed, it is very damp. Once more, let me implore you to return. So he's talking to Fortunato, begging him to go back outside.